Now comes weddings. Weddings means wedding anniversaries, when your mother and father got married. So that day is the marriage day, when they got married. So that is called anniversary or wedding day. So that also you can remember and celebrate. National events. National events are celebrated by the whole nation, means our whole country celebrate those events. Events that are celebrated on national level are called national events. In India, we celebrate three main national events: Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. If somebody asks you, name three national events, so you may write these: Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. So Republic Day, what happens on Republic Day? You might have seen on television this. How is it celebrated? 26th January, a big parade is held. A big parade is held at Rajpath, and it ends at Red Fort in New Delhi. The President of India takes military salute. Many people participate in this parade, like armed forces, folk dancers, school children take part in this parade. Bravery awards are given to some special children and members of the armed forces. Clear? I hope it is clear to you. What is given here? Which brain gain? Parade. A large number of people walking or in vehicles, all going in same direction as part of a public celebration. Next is Independence Day. Independence Day was the day when we got independent from the Britishers. So when is it celebrated? On 15th August. When did we get independence, children? On 15th August 1947. Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in New Delhi. On this day, we remember all the freedom fighters who fought for the freedom of India. Clear? You can see here, flag hoisting is done. Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. Who is called the father of nation? Mahatma Gandhi. On this day, prayer meeting is held at Rajghat, the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. Social events. So what are social events? Social events spread awareness about social issues like environment, our earth, health, etc. Let us read about few social events. World Earth Day. Here WORD is written, children. L also you need to add. WORLD. This spelling is correct. World. World Earth Day. Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd April. You have to remember all the dates when these social events are celebrated. So on 22nd April, World Earth Day is celebrated. It is celebrated to spread awareness about our planet. Our planet means Earth, and what we can do to keep it healthy. People pledge to use less energy and treat waste and garbage carefully. Understood? Yeah, it is celebrated in our school also. You might have seen the videos. And earlier we used to celebrate physically. World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year. On this day, people all over the world organize parades and marches spreading awareness about our environment. Means we need to keep our environment clean. Children and adults plant trees and clean up their local areas. People also discuss about recycling to reduce waste. We all take steps to make the earth clean and green. It was first celebrated in the year 1973. Are you able to see whatever I am teaching? Here also one brain gain is given: pledge, a promise to do or not to do something. Understood? This also you have to learn all the brain gain words, whatever are given. Now, International Day of Yoga, 21st June. It is celebrated on 21st June. All of you must do yoga. Tell your parents also to do it to keep themselves healthy. Yoga is a form of exercise that is good for mind and the body. It originated in India many years ago. It is celebrated to spread awareness about the many benefits of yoga. Teachers' Day, that you all know. When is Teachers' Day celebrated? 5th September. It is celebrated. Why? Because it is the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was the President of India and was a great believer in education. Children wish and thank the teachers on this day. Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November in India. It is celebrated on the birthday of our first Prime Minister, Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru. He loved children and the children lovingly called him Chacha Nehru. Who is Chacha Nehru? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. Children have lots of fun on this day. Clear? You have understood, I think, all the three kinds of events: family events, social events, and national events. Three kinds of events are given. So all the three kinds of events you have to remember. With this we come to the end of the chapter. Children, you read on your own and try to understand the chapter once again. If any problem is there, we'll discuss next week. Till then, goodbye.